He's fat. He's a little overweight. She is a little overweight, so she walks every evening. He's a little overweight for his height. She's skinny. She's slim. She looks slim in that blue dress. He's slim but quite strong. He's ugly. He's unattractive. He isn't unattractive, he just has an ordinary look. That haircut makes him look unattractive. She's unemployed. She's between jobs. He's between jobs right now. Don't worry, she's just between jobs. He's inexperienced. He's new to the field. He's new to the field, but he's learning quickly. Give him some time, he's new to the field. She's weird. She's unconventional. She has an unconventional style, and it suits her. He's unconventional, but very creative. He's slow. He's methodical. He's methodical and checks everything twice. She's methodical in her work. She's rude. She's a little blunt. Don't take it personally, she's just a bit blunt. She can be blunt, but she's honest. He's old. He's elderly. Please offer your seat to the elderly passenger. She looks after her elderly parents. He's poor. He's from a low-income family. She comes from a low-income family. He grew up in a low-income family. She's picky. She's particular. She's particular about keeping her desk tidy. He's very particular about his work. He's nosy. He's curious. She's curious and loves asking questions. He's always curious about new ideas. She's moody. She's a little temperamental. She's talented but a little temperamental. My brother can be a bit temperamental. He's bossy. He's assertive. She's assertive in meetings. He's assertive, but he listens to others. She's cheap. She's frugal. He's frugal and avoids unnecessary spending. Being frugal helps you save more. He's lazy. He seems unmotivated. She seems unmotivated these days. He seems unmotivated to study today. He's messy. He's not very organized. His desk shows he's not very organized. My brother isn't very organized. She's stubborn. She's strong-willed. She's strong-willed and never gives up. My son is very strong-willed. He's forgetful. He's a little absent-minded. He's a little absent-minded sometimes. She's absent-minded but very intelligent.